Hey guys, if your car audio sounds kind of flat or outdated, this might be a really easy upgrade. So this was sent to me as a gift in exchange for my honest opinion, and I'm going to unbox them and actually test the sound on one of them. Okay, so let's open this up. So this is a pair of 6.5-inch coaxial car speakers, and first impression, they feel really solid. You get two speakers, and I like that they already have that protective grille on the front. Right here in the center is the tweeter for those higher frequencies, and then the woofer around it handles the bass. And on the back, you can see the connections. These are designed to be plug and play, so no complicated setup. These are rated at 250 watts RMS with up to 1000 watts peak, and they are designed to work with your factory stereo. So you don't need an amp, which is a huge plus. So I was actually able to connect one of them just to test the sound. And honestly, even with just one speaker, you can already hear the difference. It sounds a lot clearer and more crisp compared to typical stock speakers. I'm not installing them fully in my car for this video. This is more of an unboxing and first impression. But I did want to at least give you an idea of the sound. But from what I'm seeing, these are meant to be super beginner friendly. It's supposed to be around a 30-minute install, and everything is labeled clearly. Overall, they feel well made, easy to set up, and based on that quick sound test, definitely an upgrade if your current speakers aren't great. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your car audio without doing anything too complicated, this seems like a really solid option.